Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to change the IP address using the CMD console. To get started, open the CMD console as administrator from the Windows 11 search. After this, run the netsh interface IPv4 show config command to see all the adapter properties. After this, run the command on the screen to assign a static IP address to Windows 11. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Later, you will verify that the process was correct by executing the ipconfig command. Then, validate the current adapter configuration again, using the netsh interface IPv4 show config command. Then, to assign a dynamic IP address, run the command on the screen indicating the IP address, and don't forget to use the DHCP keyword. Afterwards, you can assign a public IP address to DNS. To do so, use the command you see on the screen with the respective address. Then, using the ipconfig all command, you can see that the DNS IP address has been set. Afterwards, you can use the ipconfig release command to release the current Windows 11 IP address. Then, to assign a new IP address, run the ipconfig renew command. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.